Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video, I'll show you how to create Flipboard account. But before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, open your Flipboard apps on your phone and tap on Get Started. And now, as the title, pick topics to start reading and saving articles. Now I'm gonna pick fashion here, travel, and entertainment. If you're done, tap on Continue, the red button in the bottom. And then you just have to swipe right. And if you see this page, you have to tap on Continue again. Tap on Continue with email and type your email address. After that, tap Next and create your password for your new account. Tap Next, the red button again. And in the Start Your Profile page, you have to type your full name and your username too, but it's optional, you can skip it. Into your photo profile, you can tap on the plus button that located at the left of the name. And in this pop-up, you just have tag photo if you not have a photo yet, and choose from library. And I'm gonna tap on choose from my library and select the right one to your profile and tap done if you think it's enough. There's a question, are you want updates about fashion, travel, entertainment, and more? If you want it, just tap on yes, count me in. You can also tap on not now if you don't want it. I'm gonna tap on yes, count me in, the red button. And now tap low. And yeah, that's success. You already have an account now. So guys, just it for me. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will helpful. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one and good luck.